This is just a quick video to show you how to use the collections feature on Destiny. So if you are on the student side of the CV Schools homepage, you can get to the library catalog very easily by just going down here a little bit, click on library catalog. There's other ways to go to the library catalog, but this is probably the fastest. And go to library catalog here, and then you can go to Eagle View Middle School. Click catalog over here. Then you'll want to go to Destiny Discover over here. It's a few clicks to get here. We'll wait for it to load for a second. And you'll click on these three horizontal lines over here. And then you'll go to collections down there. So it is a few clicks to get there, but once you're here, it's very simple to use. So we'll go to See All. And all of these books that you'll find here are in the Eagle View Library. It says Cumberland Valley School District, but they are in the Eagle View Library. There's a bunch of different categories here. Some of these are genres, some of these are types of forms of books like novels and verse or poetry, and some of them are diversity categories. Such as South Asian fiction, LGBTQ, Latinx, Hispanic fiction. So you can simply pick whatever category of books you are interested in. We'll just choose Asian fiction here. And once you are here, you can scroll down, see the covers of the books. Gives you a few tags to give you a little bit more information about them, and then there's a brief description. You may have everything you need just by looking at it here, but if you do click on the book, check out this one, Under a Painted Sky, it will tell you up in the corner whether the book is in or out. This one is checked out right now. And you'll see the same description up here. And it does have a little bit more information. It does have the publishing information. And that's pretty much it.